Hello, another Maker Advent, and this is take 2, because take 1 I waffled far too much. Anyway, Banana for Scale Mark II. It has been independently calibrated by the International Banana Calibration Laboratories in Penzance. Fully tested, fully verified for use in these videos. I've got a certificate somewhere if anyone wants to see it. Not the focus today. Sorry, Banana. This is the focus. A Leatherman Squirt ES4. A tiny little pocket tool that's a legal carry in the United Kingdom. And it's very useful. So it looks just like a Swiss Army knife. And you've probably heard of Swiss Army knives. If you're a maker, you probably have. If not, little pocket knives that contain lots of tools that are usually handy. Like a little knife, screwdrivers, a toothpick, something to remove stones from horses' shoes. Allegedly. Never used it. This thing, Leatherman, are a bit different. They're more outdoorsy camping type products. This one I got from the mother-in-law about, 5-6 years ago probably. And it's made for electronics and electricians. It's a discontinued product. I'm going to put some blurb up now so you can see it. There you go. Don't let the Squirt ES4 fool you. This is an electrician's tool for everyone. Okay, thanks blurb. Cracking little tool. So I'm going to go through its features. I'm going to keep that on the screen and just keep myself a bit lower down here. There you go. So we've got the usual knife. 1.6 inches long, the knife, so it's legal carry in the UK. It's not a locking blade, so be careful. But also, don't walk around the streets with knives in your pocket. It's silly. It's dangerous and something's going to happen. We've got files, wood and metal. I never know which one is which, but they're there. We've got scissors. Lovely pair of scissors. They cut really well. Obviously not your wrapping paper at Christmas, that take ages, but they work really well. And we have, this is where we do the standard thing, we go round and round and round looking for the attachments. We have a flathead screwdriver and bottle opener, and yes, it's the first time in 6 years I've actually seen that. In the first take I went, oh, where's the bottle opener? And I couldn't find it. It's like, oh right, it's here on the screwdriver. Idiot. Okay, we have a crosshead Phillips screwdriver, but it's a flat blade. Not brilliant, but it does the job. But what's so different about this than any other Swiss Army knife? Well, it's this. We have wire strippers. So it goes between 20 and 12 American wire gauge, AWG. At the tip we've got some needle nose pliers, and at the base, where they meet, we've got a little cutter to cut the wires. I've used this in projects. At CPC I used it for stripping wires in the Dance Mat of Doom, which was a NeoPixel array controlled by a Raspberry Pi and a dance mat. That was fun. I also used it for stripping wires for Pyman, which was a Simon clone using NeoPixels, a Raspberry Pi 2 at the time I think it was, and a load of arcade buttons. You have to guess the sequence. You know the Simon game, it flashes a colour sequence, and if you get it right, you move on to the next level. It gets harder. If you get it wrong, you lose. I had it so if you lost, the whole box glowed red, and it was one of those really useful boxes. And the way the NeoPixels diffuse the light, it just glowed like the end of Indiana Jones Raiders of the Lost Ark. Like a glowing whoom, whoom, whoom. It was ace. Anyway, I digress. I'll put a video for that up there. I love this. It's on my keychain for when I'm out and about. I've used it in the house for projects, used it at work for projects. Brilliant. It's discontinued, but you can find it here and there on Amazon and eBay for about 30 quid. Sometimes going up to 50 depending how hard to get hold of they are. But ideal for a maker to stick in the pocket, and if it needs to do some work, you've got it ready to go. Alright, that's all for today. See you later.